How to convert a PDF file into an Excel sheet on mobile. The first step is just to open up your browser. Use the search icon to simply search for the PDF converter online. So just go ahead and search for PDF converter. So they're going to open up a couple of them. Just scroll till you find iLovePDF. Click on this option and it's going to load in. Now all we're going to be doing is just converting a PDF into an Excel sheet. So go ahead and click on this option, click on select PDF file, and then your file manager would open up, and then just click on the file you want. It's going to be selected here, and now all you need to do is just click on convert to Excel, and it would go ahead and convert the PDF file into an Excel sheet. And once the Excel conversion is done, just go ahead and download it and then open it up with your Microsoft Excel on your phone. Alright guys, that's how it's done. It's that easy.